By the way, I'm on Wundermap on the website wonderground.com. So Doppler radar shows you all the rain, and then where it freezes is how the color changes there. So again, we're talking about the historic Mason-Dixon line dividing the Northeast between the Middle Atlantic states and down into the Southern states. That's where the line happens to be, but it will shift later on into the night, Sunday night, going into the new week on Monday. Let's take off the radar. Let's take a look at the satellite overlay, and that's more physically what the storm system looks like. Let us go back to the forecast, which is going to show you in purple. And even if you're colorblind, you'll be able to see because it's the only overlay I'm using right now. This overlay is showing you the area that they expect to get a lot of snow. And going to the center of that is the heaviest snow. So they are predicting this amount on the Wundermap. So as you can see, the center of it is where Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and Pennsylvania meet. All those states are bunched up there right around the mountains, the Appalachians, and they're predicting a lot of snow dump there. Pennsylvania is looking to be totally covered. New Jersey also, parts of Connecticut, and southern tier of New York. Also, all the southern half of Ohio. And it does go down the Appalachians, even down into the Carolinas and Georgia, Tennessee, and Kentucky. So I think I named all the states. Well, no, we did forget Delaware and Maryland. They're all the Mid-Atlantic around there. The capital area, Baltimore and Virginia. Let's go to another map. This is the report on weather.com, the Weather Channel, and they're talking about the winter storm as a potentially crippling blizzard. They show a slightly different forecast. Officially, it's called Winter Storm Juno. So let me load up though the Weather Channel expert prediction, and while it's loading up, I'm going to take you over here to the NOAA. NOAA, National Weather Service. They are predicting that this is going to be potentially a historic blizzard. They name all the areas here, and blizzard warning goes into effect by 1 p.m. on Monday until midnight Tuesday night. So I'm not exactly clear on whether this is a 11-hour storm or 24 hours plus 11 hours. Oop, there we go. Something's happening here. They're playing an ad. Uh-oh. Okay, we're back. Let's see the rest of the report from NOAA. It's saying locations: New York City, surrounding immediate suburbs, Long Island, and most of southern Connecticut. This is a hazardous blizzard storm of snow accumulation 20 to 30 inches. Local amounts may be higher, especially if there's wind and there's drifting. There will be 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts, 55 to 65 miles per hour into Long Island on the eastern side. So that's Suffolk County out to Montauk, the point there, the tip of Long Island. And that's also off of Rhode Island. So people weren't mentioning that, but it looks like Rhode Island could possibly get some snow. So this is like the huge population area of America. A lot of Americans are going to get affected by this. Let's take a look again here at Weather Channel on the web. Why do they keep playing ads? Okay, no, we don't want to see that. You know, I wish that we could just see the map, but since they're not going to do that, I'm going to do a search on Google. Weather blizzard northeast. Let's take a look. I'm not in the area. In fact, when this storm is going on, I'll be in the opposite side of the country, and it's in a warming trend. We've already dealt with a lot of freezing temperatures and some snow around the Rocky Mountains up into Colorado, New Mexico, and slightly into Oklahoma, Texas, western side. But right now we're in a warming trend. Today was a little bit warmer, and the early part of the week is going to be unseasonably warm, but not extremely. It'll be about 60 or so, and the nighttime won't even be freezing. But let's look at any imagery. The winter storm travel alert. I don't think that's the one. I'm going to put in the name Juno because that's what they're calling this weather system. They name them now. Winter storm Juno. Weather.com keeps changing their image. That was the image and then it changes it. See? Catch it quick. Winter storm Juno. 24-hour snowfall forecast. 72-hour, I'm sorry. So this really gives you a great graphic image. Let's end on this note and be safe wherever you are. Stay tuned to my YouTube videos while you get stuck inside during the blizzard. I just had to say that.